Hey guys, we're here at PRI. I'm here with Derrick McGrew, and we're just walking around. We're gonna interview some more people, but I got him here with me. You know, we call him the bodyguard. Randy Keene likes to call him the bodyguard. He's so big, and but has a lot of background in racing too, and his son's racing now at 14. So tell us a little bit about your background.
I started as a crew member, and then became a crew chief. I worked for Ronnie Johnson. I worked for Jack Johnson. I was Ronnie Johnson's crew chief for a few years, and then I've always wanted to race. I've raced go-karts and stuff. I've been involved my whole life. And then when I was, I think, 23, I started racing sportsman cars up in Northeast, and went on, started winning some races and championships and stuff. And I guess, excuse me, guys. I guess we became a pretty good race car driver, and we picked up a couple rides. We were driving for some other teams, and my son started racing go-karts when he was 4. So the more he raced go-karts, the more it kind of affected what we were doing. And then we finally got to the point where, he was getting a lot of notoriety. We started doing a lot of national stuff, and we got invited over to Australia for him to race a big race, and he won it. And kind of opened up more eyes, and from there, we had won a championship in 15 myself. And just kind of had to make a decision, was I going to keep doing what I was doing, or was I going to put the time and effort into kind of getting all in with my son? And it was kind of a no-brainer for me. So we just kind of went all in with my son, and when he was 10 years old, they said, hey, you know what, we're going to let him move into a dirt modified, which we weren't expecting. Yeah. But we did, and just figured we'd do that for a while and see what transpired. And that first year at 10 years old, he kind of went out and...
Oh my God, I love all your movies. Can I take a big wig? Thanks,
we kind of went out, and he knocked down, I think, 17 wins and 3 championships that year in the sportsman car. And, again, opened up more eyes, and we started networking more and building relationships with people like Randy Keene with PRI and, PFC Brakes and I Race Supply and all these other teams and racing businesses, people in the industry. And, now this is my second PRI. It's Derrick Jr.'s first PRI. But, to get out here and let him, some of the people that only see him through social media and online and stuff, actually get to meet him, put a face to his name, and see what he's like in person. Building those relationships is what's going to get him further in this business. And there's a lot of kids that are in it. A lot of them, they've got a father that can write checks, and unfortunately he doesn't have that. So he's got to do a lot of work on his own. Building real relationships with these people, their products and businesses, and they need to not only like that he wins races and does well on the track. He's got to be somebody that they want to have a relationship with off the track. Build friendships and real relationships. It's kind of the old school way. It doesn't happen all the time now, but that's his only option. So that's what we're doing out here, and we're right now. We're with you guys at PRI with Randy Keene and SRI, and we do as much as we can for them. We do a lot of social media stuff as well, highlight their products, and just building those relationships. And I get to sit back a little bit. I still got to be hands-on, but I get to sit back and watch my kid grow in this industry and do these things. And sometimes I want to wring his neck, but I'm also proud. I'm proud of what he does and how he's doing it as well. So to see him doing it, like I call the old-fashioned way, and building relationships like this, I'm proud of him. So we're just going to keep doing it.
Awesome. We're going to walk around, talk to some other drivers and stuff, and we got our bodyguard hanging out with us.
Yeah,
so we'll see you guys later.
Yeah. See you guys later.